So hey guys, today I'm going to introduce you to this Tech Shine. I've done a review on this before, but I just wanted to bring this to you once again because it's amazing stuff. It's a great sealant for your clear coat that works amazing. You get an applicator sponge here included when you order it, but it's great stuff, guys. It's really seeing is believing in this product. So easy to apply. It's a wet applied clear coat for the exterior of your car. And the great part about this stuff is it protects everything on the outside. Your windshield, your headlights, your black trim, all that kind of stuff. Here's some great info about it. If you guys never heard about this product, you really should check it out. It was originally designed for aircraft. So it's designed for the elements, the intense heat, all that kind of stuff. So definitely easy to apply to our cars and really protect it. I've used this stuff for a long time now, and I'm a true believer of this. It takes about 5 minutes to apply your whole entire car. The best part about this, guys, is here's some main points. It's the wet applied clear coat. It works on every surface on the exterior. It bonds on contact. You use about less than 2 ounces for an entire vehicle. It won't wash off, and you can use it every time you wash your car. And the best part is no white residue. If you guys ever wax your cars and you touch black trim, it's almost impossible to get it back to factory. So this won't do any of that. It leaves a slick surface on everything that you apply it to. So it's really easy to use, guys. The main thing is right now they have a 10% off. Use that code HondaJohn10. The link's in the description. But the main thing is you got to shake it really well because it will separate. So each time you use it, give it a good shake, okay? And then what I like to do, this is my applicator pad I've had for a long time, as you can tell. You'll get a brand new one when you order this, though. I put a little bit. So that's how it comes right there when you order it. Brand new, and like I said, the pads last a long time. You can just wash them up. As you can tell by mine, it's been used. So you just put a little, I would say, quarter-size drop in the middle here after you shook the bottle really well. Okay? That's about what you start with. And you'll have a wet pad, and this is after the car is just washed. So you wash your car like you normally do, okay? And while the car is still wet, you just apply it over every surface. Just wipe it back and forth. Okay, and that's all you do. And then you do maybe the hood with that amount. Then you put a little bit more and do the front doors, back doors, etc. So let me go ahead and do a quick run through this. Okay, so I just washed this car, guys, and a trick for me is I pull it in when it's still wet because, as you can see, it's sunny. And you don't want to do this in direct sunlight because it will have a tendency to dry. If it does, it's no big deal. You just hose it off. But this is a quicker way to do it for me. And then you can just will it outside and then hose it all off. Okay? But I want to give you a run through of how easy this is. Okay, so like I said, the car's still wet. You just washed it and you rinsed it off. Okay? And you have your applicator pad and you have your Tech Shine. So you shake it up really well again. Okay, and then just put a little bit on the pad. And initially, especially when you get a fresh new pad, you'll have to load it up a little bit with this, but as you use it, you're going to see you don't even need much at all. So this is all you do. Check that out. So you notice right when it touches the water, it already makes it start beating up. I mean, check that out. Look at that. It's putting that sealant on it just as you wipe, just like this. Back and forth. You don't have to put heavy pressure in it. Very easy. And like I said, after a couple panels, you'll notice it'll load up on the thing, on the applicator pad, and it'll go pretty far. Same here, the black trim. Normally you'd shy away from this with wax. This you put right over it. It'll leave it slick. Water will beat up. Same with the windows. It's a great thing. I love doing this because in the winter, it'll really help the water just fly off. That's all there is to it. You just do that over the entire vehicle. I can do this vehicle in probably 5 to 7 minutes. And this is our Pilot, so it's a pretty good sized vehicle. And you don't need much at all. Okay, so after you do that, then you're just gonna hose it off. So I wanna show you what this does here. Watch, as soon as the water hits it. See how it just sheets the water away and beads up? Same with the windshield. Look at that. Almost dries itself. That's all there is to it, guys. You do that over the whole entire car, then you dry it like normal and you're set to go. It's that extra layer of protection. Looks awesome. Check that out. And I haven't applied anything to this car beforehand, just to let you know. And this car does sit out a lot. So look at that. Beating up. Easy. If you have a blower, you can blow the water right off, make cleaning your car very quickly. And the more you use this on your car, the better it'll protect it. So it'll build up a thickness of that coating, so it'll get easier and easier. I like to use it every time I wash my car, and it just leaves it super slick. I get asked all the time, how's it so shiny? I mean, check that out. See, the water just repels right off the trim. So great product, guys. Definitely check the link in the description. Use my code HondaJohn10, save 10%. Like I said, a little bit goes a long way. Start from the top and work your way down. My advice is do it when it's the sun setting though, because it just makes it a little bit harder if it dries on you. Nothing bad at all, but this just makes it easier. Okay, guys. So I went ahead and applied it over the entire car. Like I said, it doesn't take long at all. I took it out, hosed it off, and I dried it up here, and it's super slick. Doesn't really do it justice on a video here, but super slick, super shiny. I mean, it adds that depth to the paint. And the darker the paint is, the more depth you're going to get out of it, just like any sealant. But the best part about this is, like I said, for an average car, 5 minutes, and you're done. You won't have to spend an hour buffing, all that kind of stuff. And it makes everything. It's not just like the paint, like the black grill here, the windshield, the headlights. So when you go to wash it, the bugs won't stick as hard. All the trim. That's the best part about it. You can even do your wheels with it. So the brake dust comes off easier. I've done that on my Accord. Works really good. So I would definitely check this out. You guys will be amazed. When I first tried it, I was shocked how easy it was to use. And it actually does what is advertised. Like I said, check the link in the description. Use that code HondaJohn10. Save yourself 10%. And like I said, you can do, I would say, 7 to 8 vehicles on this, one bottle. So let me go ahead and pull this car out and I'll show you. So check that out, guys. Super shiny. Like I said, the video doesn't do it justice as seeing it in person, but it's amazing the quality that this stuff adds to the paint. Almost looks wet. And like I said, I've used it for years now too, so I can vouch for it. And it's a staple in my garage to detail my cars. It prevents water spots. It makes it easier to clean when you clean it next time. Everything just wipes right off of it. I mean, check that out. And a car like this, if you have a big truck, it's just easy. Sometimes it's hard to wax cars. This thing, wash it, leave it wet, apply this Tech Shine all over it, hose it off, dry it, you're done. And you'll notice your drying time goes down too with this stuff. It'll just sheet right off. So guys, I would definitely check it out. Like I said, you'll love this stuff. For the price, the ease of use, it's great. Really great stuff. So definitely check it out. Leave a comment below if you have used this, how much you guys like it. I appreciate that. Hope everyone's doing good out there, staying safe. If you haven't, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Take care, everybody.